As do you also want to receive notification like FIFA World Cup news or match highlights? First of all, open your app. Now, after your interface is loaded, here you'll see which matches are going to happen. So today we have a big match. It's France versus Senegal, and Iraq, Norway, and also Argentina matches today coming up. So I don't want to miss notification about that. So first that, tap on your profile. Now scroll down and tap on settings. Now, if you have not updated your device, then you'll find a notification panel here. After you tap on notification icon, it will lead you to all the icons that you can tick on. So there will be icon for matches and for any other notification. You need to make sure that to turn on all these. But if you have updated version like mine, so you'll always get the notification directly on your app notification bar, as I'm receiving like now here. So to make sure that you receive such, hold on to the app for some times. Now tap on the eye icon. It will lead you to the app. After you come to the settings section, now tap on notification bar, and you need to make sure that you tap allow notification on. So after you tap that on, you'll get notification regarding the upcoming matches and any FIFA news like this. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you find this video useful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and hope to see you in the next one.